is called 8 Spinning Planets. So we need to be sitting how we're supposed to. Hands in our lap. So it says Mercury. Mercury has rocky ground. So we talked about rocks, how we know what rocky ground is. There are 8 spinning planets travel around the sun. Mercury is the closest and is the smallest one. It is a rocky planet without any air. With the sun so close by, it is very hot there.
It's kind of like a lion book.
The next planet is Venus. Venus is filled with clouds. So the whole planet is filled with clouds. Isn't that crazy? Because our clouds are just in the sky, right? 7 spinning planets around the sun they go. Here is a beautiful Venus with its yellow glow. Covered with clouds that trap the sun's rays, Venus is like a desert, hot and dry every day. So Venus is very hot. So would you want to live there if it's very hot? No. Earth. Everybody knows what Earth is, right? It's where we live. Earth has trees, water, and land. That's what makes us be able to live here, because it has water, land for us to live on, and trees. So 6 spinning planets in our outer space they roam. Next comes the bright blue Earth, the place we call our home. Earth is filled with water, food, animals, and air. It's the perfect world for all of us to share. So we're sharing it. So what does that mean? If we're living on the same street, what are the people? Yeah, so if I'm living on the same street as somebody, that means I am their what? What was our vocab word?
Neighbor.
Neighbor. So we share the earth, so we have neighbors. Mars has mountain ranges that rise up very high. 5 spinning planets in space overhead. You can tell this one is Mars because it is red. Mars has mountain ranges that rise up very high. It has not 1, but 2 moons that orbit the sky. So how many moons does Mars have?
2.
2.
You got 27.
Has 2. Jupiter. Jupiter has large storms. 4 spinning planets floating with the stars. Make way for Jupiter. It is really large. It is the biggest planet and rotates awfully fast. With 1 great red spot, Jupiter is made of gas. So Jupiter is made of gas, huh? Saturn. Saturn has glowing rings. What did we talk about? What does it mean to glow? Somebody raise their hand. Bristol.
It means like a light in your room, kind of.
Yeah, so it's bright. So that means Saturn is probably very bright because it has glowing rings around it. 3 spinning planets, such incredible things. Look, there is Saturn with all its pretty rings. The rings circle Saturn and reflect the sunlight. They are made of icy rocks that glow nice and bright.
I'll go live there.
You want to live there?
Yeah. But I can't.
No.
Why?
Because we can only live on Earth. It's the only one that we can survive on because we need water.
Yeah.
Uranus. Uranus is full of greenish blue gas. So some of you today used a lot of blue. Blue is a popular choice. So maybe you are going with some colors like Uranus.